Welcome to Insight, International Education News and Insights by Canam.
Hello everyone. Today, we're exploring Canada's latest immigration levels plan for 2025 to 2027 and what it means for prospective international students and workers. Stay tuned as we unpack how these changes could positively shape your plans to study, work, or settle in Canada. Overview of the new Immigration Levels Plan. Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada has recently unveiled the 2025 to 2027 Immigration Levels Plan, announcing a new phase of sustainable growth. While it's true the overall immigration targets will see a temporary decrease, this strategic move is designed to enhance the quality and integration of immigrants into the Canadian economy. Impact on international students and temporary workers. With this new plan, Canada is refining its approach to temporary residency by aligning admission targets with labor market demands. For international students, this translates to a cap on new study permits, ensuring that the influx of students remains sustainable and beneficial to both the students and the Canadian workforce. This proactive measure aims to maintain a high standard of education and increase the alignment with available job opportunities, making education more valuable in the long run. This way, international students should get a better bang for their bucks with a smooth transition, especially if they aim for careers and employment, and employers will benefit with better skilled people. It's a win-win. Long-term opportunities. Despite the initial reduction in numbers, the plan lays out a promising pathway for temporary residents in Canada to transition to permanent residency. This shift is particularly focused on those who have already started building their lives in Canada, like international students and foreign workers acknowledging and leveraging their contributions to the economy. By 2027, a greater emphasis will be placed on admitting economic immigrants, especially in critical sectors like healthcare and trades, paving the way for robust community and economic development. Not surprisingly, choosing programs in trades and healthcare is now trending. Benefits of the new immigration strategy. This strategy is about more than managing numbers, it's about optimizing the newcomer experience and success in Canada. By easing the immediate pressures on housing and public services, the plan supports a healthier, more manageable integration for all. It promises to drive significant GDP growth and improve employment outcomes, thereby enhancing the overall prosperity and quality of life in Canadian society. This forward-looking approach to immigration reflects Canada's ongoing commitment to being a welcoming and supportive environment for newcomers. For anyone considering Canada as a future home for studying or working, these changes signify a prime opportunity to prepare and adapt to a promising and sustainable future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on international education and immigration. Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments. We'd love to help you navigate your journey.